Hello everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful table runner. All it is just working double crochets, chains with single crochets, and you'll be able to crochet this easy and beautiful table runner. This table runner is measuring about 52 inches long by 13.5 inches wide. For this project, I'm using number 4 medium weight yarn. It's by Loops and Threads, and it is 100% acrylic yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice. You're also going to need your 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with the slip knot, and we need a foundation chain of 57. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue chaining until you have 57 chains. Here I finished working a total of 57 chains, and into the 4 chain from the hook we're going to work 1 double crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into this chain work 1 double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into the next 3 chains. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Here with this chain 3 in the beginning, which counts as our first double crochet, we have a total of 5 double crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go ahead and chain 2. Now you need to skip 2 chains. Here's 1, 2. Into the 3rd chain, work 1 single crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next chain, work 1 double crochet. And now work 1 double crochet into the next 4 chains. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And together with this one we have 5 double crochets. Let's repeat. We're going to chain 2. Now skip 2, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain work 1 single crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2, 1, 2, and into the next chain work 1 double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into the next 4 chains. Here's 2, 3, and 4. And together we have 5 double crochets. Let's repeat. We're going to chain 2, skip 2, and into the 3rd chain work 1 single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, and into the next chain work 1 double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once again we should have 5 double crochets. Continue working like this, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. We'll finish this row together. Here I'm at the end of this row, and I just worked my first double crochet, and I need to go ahead and work 1 double crochet into this last 4 chains. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And together with the first one I should have 5 double crochets, and that's how we're going to end each row. And together for this row I have a total of 6 5 double crochet spaces. Row 2 and 3 are the repeat row. We're going to chain 3 to start. 1, 2, 3, and this chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Now we need to work 1 double crochet on top of these 4 double crochets of the previous row. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and together with the chain 3 we should have 5 double crochets. Let's go ahead and chain 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to skip all this, and right where our first double crochet is of the next set we're going to work 1 double crochet on top of all those 5 double crochets of the previous row. So here's 2, 3, 4, and I need 1 more, 5. Now let's go ahead and repeat. We're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And now we're going to work 1 double crochet. We're going to skip all this and we're going to work 1 double crochet on top of these double crochets of the previous row. In total, we should have 5 double crochets. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip all of this and start your double crochets right on top of the double crochets of the previous row. We should have 5 total. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oops. Continue working and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Here I'm at the end of row 2 and I just worked my 4 double crochets and I need to work 1 more double crochet, but this time I'm going to find my top of third chain. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Right on top of that chain, I'm going to pick up both loops and work my double crochet using that chain. Now row 3, we're going to repeat the same way. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. And now we need to work 1 double crochet using these 4 double crochets of the previous row. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Together with this chain 3, I should have 5 double crochets. Chain 2, 1, 2. Now we need to count our chains, and into the third chain we're going to work 1 single crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3. Into this chain, I'm going to go ahead and work single crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, and now work 1 double crochet on top of these 5 double crochets of the previous row. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's repeat. We're going to chain 2. Find our third chain. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Into this chain, I'm going to work 1 single crochet, chain 2, and now work 1 double crochet on top of these 5 double crochets. And here's my last double crochet, and together I should have 5 double crochet. Repeat, chain 2 and work 1 single crochet using the third chain. So here's 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to work 1 single crochet into that chain and chain 2 and repeat. You're going to work 5 double crochets on top of these double crochets of the previous row, and like that continue on, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Here I'm at the end of row 3 and I have to work 1 more double crochet using the top of third chain, and total I should have 5 double crochets at the end of this row. Now we're going to repeat row 2 again. We're going to chain 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet, turn our work, and now using the double crochet of the previous row, we're going to work 1 double crochet on top of the 4 double crochets, and together with the chain 3 we should have 5 double crochets. So we're always starting the same way and ending the same way. Now instead of working chain 2 with the single crochet and the chain 2, we're just going to work chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're going to work 1 double crochet using the 5 double crochets of the previous row. And now we're just going to go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip all of this, and on top of the first double crochet of the next set, we're going to work 1 double crochet, and then work 1 double crochet using these double crochets of the previous row. And like that, continue working, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. Here I finished row 4, and we're going to start on row 5, and we're just going to repeat row 3. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, and work 1 double crochet on top of the next 4 double crochets, 3 and 4, and together with the chain 3 we have 5 double crochets. And now we're just going to chain 2, find third chain, 1, 2, 3. Into this chain we're going to work 1 single crochet, chain 2, and work 1 double crochet on top of these 5 double crochets of the previous row. Together we should have 5 double crochets. Now let's chain 2 and we're going to repeat. We're going to find our third chain, 1, 2, 3, work 1 single crochet using that chain, chain 2, and work 1 double crochet on top of these double crochets. And like that we're just going to repeat and work on our table runner as long as we want it to be. So continue working on your rows, repeating row 2 and 3, and I'll let you know how many rows I worked on total. And we'll come back and finish this together. Here I worked a total of 91 rows, and I ended with the row with the chain 2 single crochet, chain 2 between the 5 double crochets, not the chain 5, just to kind of even it out, because that's how we started in the beginning of the row right here. So I ended the same way here. If you want to, you can add single crochet all around. It's up to you, but I'm going to leave mine this way. Now let's go ahead and fasten off. So here I finished working my set of 5 double crochets, and all I'm going to do is just chain 1 and just cut my yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it, and now we can weave in our yarn tails. Using my tapestry needle, I'm going to go ahead and bring my yarn tail towards this double crochets right over here, picking up just the back loops. Pull through. Now come back, you can drop 1 loop and come back where we started. Pull through. Now one more time I'm going to drop 1 of the loops and just come back right up here. And I am picking up a couple more stitches, just the back loops, and pull through. And here we have it. You can go ahead and cut this. And now you can repeat the same thing to the other yarn tail. And here's our finished table runner. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.